Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat path. In the last video we learned operators in Python. In this video we will learn conditions, loops and create a small practical program. This will be the final part of Python basics and after this we will move back to the cybersecurity topics. In this video we will learn conditions like if-else, loops like for and while, and a small practical program. This will help you understand how real programs work. Let's talk about conditions. Conditions are used to make decisions in a program. For this, we will create a file, type nano conditions.py, initialize the value of x as 10. Now let's add a condition, type if x is greater than 5, print greater than 5, else print less than or equal to 5. This checks the condition and give output based on it. Now save and execute the file. Again go to the same file. Now let's take input from the user. We will write num is equals to int input, enter a number, then add a condition. If num mod 2 is equals to 0, then print even. Else print odd. This checks whether a number is even or odd. We'll save and execute the program. Now comes loop. We will discuss two types of loops. One is for loop and other is while loop. Loops are used to repeat tasks. For this, let's create a file. Type nano loops.py and type for I in range 5 and then print I. This will print numbers from 0 to 4. Save and execute the program. Now let's use while loop. Go to the same file. While loop runs until the condition is true. So write x is equals to 1. While x is smaller than equals to 5. Print x. X is equals to x plus 1. Save and execute the program. Now let's create a simple practical example. We will create a file nano example.py. Now type passwords is equals to square bracket 1234, comma, admin, comma, pass, comma, root, brackets close. Now we will use for loop. We will type for pwd in passwords, print trying passwords, comma, pwd. Now save and execute the file. This is how automation works in cybersecurity. In real cybersecurity, Python is used to automate tasks like this and testing multiple inputs quickly. So, in this video, we learned conditions, loops, and created a simple practical program. Now you have enough Python knowledge to start using it in cybersecurity. From the next video, we will move back to the cybersecurity and start using real tools. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat path.